my hypothesis is that, you see, you either have what they call an Indian summer, which it's summertime, but yet the temperatures are cool.
What?
That is not what an Indian summer is.
That's not Indian summer.
Indian summer is like you're into like early fall and the temperatures heat
Fall and the temperature gets warm and it's fall.
and they call it an Indian summer.
I always get those two mixed up.
Wait, you get summer and fall mixed up?
in terms of temperature structure.
Structure. Temperature structure.
You either have what they call an Indian summer, which it's summertime, but yet the temperatures are cool. But when you have a sudden summer like this, which is very unexpected and very rare in the weather industry, that
Wait. The weather industry?
It's not an industry.
It's not an weather isn't an industry.
The weather industry.
I chose my words wrong.
The weather industry, Opie. Like you could go out and buy it from the weather company.
It makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
Are they trading on NASDAQ?
Yeah. The weather industry.
I really don't know. But when you have a sudden summer like this, which is very unexpected and very rare in the weather industry, that when you start off with a very, very hot summer, and then you start cooling down too early before the fall gets here. Now, this is what I like to believe is that the fact that something is happening in the stratosphere above us.
The stratosphere above us. As opposed to the stratosphere below us.
Yeah, well, why?
Something is happening in the stratosphere?
That's where all these problems are coming from?
Do you explain what this is?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Something in the
I think it either has to do with the ozone layer, where you have the latex of the ozone layer.
Wait. The what?
The latex.
The latex,
The latex
of the ozone layer?
ozone layer.
Yeah.
What is latex? Latex is a form of, like, plastic.
Latex is what girls like to wear.
I term latex as a covering. So I figured that the ozone is covering, so I chose the word latex as instead of covering.
He makes his own stuff up. He just makes it up. The latex.
You need a thesaurus, Spaz. The latex would not be the word in that statement.
I thought it would be. I think it either has to do with the ozone layer, where you have the latex of the ozone layer is are sort of like getting bigger and bigger because of all the aerosol from the cans and stuff, and it's just getting bigger and bigger, and thus causing all these different kinds of weather patterns, and the jet streams and the flow, and this the naturalness from the ground.
What the hell is the naturalness from the ground, you friggin' idiot? Wait a minute. The jet streams, the air flows, the naturalness of the ground.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please explain the naturalness of the ground.
Oh, well, the ground meaning the planet Earth itself.
Right?
So the water, like the moisture from the water, which is on the ground level, going up. It's like condensation, evaporation.
Yeah. What do you call the naturalness, though?
Because it's a natural phenomenon.
And you're not reverting to any movies on this?
No, I'm not.
You don't need to?
No.
It's,
Okay.
And the flow, and this the naturalness from the ground. You know, all these like impeding natural phenomenons are coming together and forming this this extraordinary weather pattern that's fluctuating from between temperatures.
Fluctuating from between temperatures.
you just throw big words in there and pray to God it makes sense.
Unbelievable. It's
Listen.
like Scrabble letters just being thrown out.
Listen to him trying to make sense.
Opie, Justin from West Babylon. Time and weather merge. Planets up 3 points.
Oh, good.
Frigging idiot.
Listen to him try to make sense here.
And thus causing all these different kinds of weather patterns, and the jet streams and the flow, and this the naturalness from the ground. You know, all these like impeding natural phenomenons are coming together and forming this this extraordinary weather pattern that's fluctuating from between temperatures. And my point is, if you didn't follow that, is that it'll all soon go away. It's not El Nino, which is the sister of El Nino, which plagued us years ago, but it's some sort of
El Nino? I thought it was La Nina.
It is.
And El Nino.
I think it is La Nina. Nina.
El Nino. Oh, my God.